Pharmacological treatment which are basically depending on the hormonal assay, or you can say sonographical findings and many more. But the primary benefit we get is always from two things, that is, hello friends, today we are going to discuss about PCOS, that is polycystic ovarian disease or syndrome you can say. Majorly it contains, first of all pathology, sign, symptoms and treatment. The pathology behind PCOD is very simple. In simple form, in PCOD, ovary fails to ovulate. See, in every cycle, our ovary shows ovulation. So after about 15 days of ovulation, the lady gets her menstrual cycle. But in PCOD, the process of ovulation is delayed or absent. Hence, we can see some sign symptoms like delayed menstrual cycle. So they show the symptoms like amenorrhea, that is delayed menstrual cycle. That difference may vary, like that girl may not get her menstrual cycle from 2 to 6 months. Sometimes it may be more. Then we also see these girls either show excessive weight gain, or very rarely they can show weight loss, or they are very thin. Then the third sign symptom is like hirsutism, that is abnormal abnormal hair growth over face, especially on chin. It is like beard. So moving towards the treatment, we can see there are pharmacological treatment which are basically depending on the hormonal assay, or you can say sonographical findings and many more. But the primary benefit we get is always from two things, that is, first is diet and exercise. So day to day diet plan should be containing less carbohydrate, more protein, less fats, and always avoid junk food, which is majorly seen in new generation. Now regarding exercise, you can go ahead with Zumba, you can go ahead with yoga or walking. Simple walking exercise is also more than enough. So with this basic line of treatment, that is diet and exercise, we always see these girls usually start with the exercise and diet plan, but after 1 or 2 months they say like, oh, I'm not getting a proper result. But actually be patient, continue your diet plan and exercise. You can see the difference in your menstrual cycle pattern, your regularity, everything will be there. Yes, of course, the main treatment you require is after marriage, mostly in most of the cases, if there is infertility. So here we use some drugs like myoinositol, dechiroinositol, sometimes metformin, and thus we treat accordingly. So ultimately, exercise, healthy diet plan and stress-free life are the key words for PCOS. Thank you.